As video editors, we're always trying to find a way to speed up our workflow, move faster, save time. And this tip definitely is a time saver. It's ripple editing. It's basically like making a cut and then hitting ripple delete. But doing it this way, you're going to cut out a lot of steps. So what you're going to want to do is go to your keyboard customization, remap these shortcuts to the Q and W keys on your keyboard. Within Davinci Resolve, the ripple delete key bindings are already in there, but they're a little bit complicated. And to me, it's not as much of a time saver as it can be. So if you already have something assigned to Q or W, it will let you know that you have something else there, but it's okay, assign it anyway. And what we're going to do is go over to Q, click it, and it's going to show you what's assigned to it. Click on the one you don't want, go over to the right, exit out, that deletes it. Do the same thing for W, click on what it is you don't want, go over, delete it, then you hit save and you're good to go. So what you're thinking about is I'm gonna take everything that's on the left of my playhead and bring that to my starting point. And then I wanna take everything that's on the right side of my playhead and bring that to my endpoint. You just drag your playhead to where you want your footage to start, hit Q, everything to the left goes away, and now what's left is your new starting point. And then if there's a part at the end of the clip that you don't want, you just move your playhead to where you want the clip to end, hit W, and then everything to the right goes away, and now that's your new ending point. On a smaller project, this may not seem like a big deal, but if you start using ripple editing now, it's gonna save you so much time in the long run. And especially when you get bigger projects and you're working with hours and hours of footage, why not save yourself time with something that you're gonna do literally every single time you edit? Is making cuts and dragging footage and deleting things and moving things around, where you can save so much time with clicking just by using ripple edits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and leave a comment below if you didn't already know about ripple editing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and be sure to subscribe for even more tips and tricks like this. Until next time, peace.